Now, what is applied history? First of all, let's move to our lesson number 3, that is applied history. So, before this, what is applied history? Applied history is nothing but the public history. Now, what is actually public history means? And why the applied history is important? Okay, what we are always thinking, history is a boring subject. Okay, history is not interesting as much what you want. Some students are thinking like this, but it is wrong. History is really interesting subject because it has many of the stories. You read about the past, what happened in our past. There are the many of the subject which is related to the history. Yes, good, Vedi. There are many of the subject which is related to a history subject. Like for example, if we take an example of geometry, okay? In geometry, there is a trigonometry. Okay. So who invented trigonometry ratios? Okay. To finding that trigonometry ratios inventor, what we will do, we will go in the past. Okay. To finding each and everything, we should follow the history. If we take an example of Hindi, okay? If we take an example of any poem in Hindi, so who wrote this poem and who is that poet? If we think about the Gulzar, okay? So who is Gulzar? What is the history of Gulzar? What type of poem he has written? All subjects are related to the history. Without history, no subjects correlations will be made. None of the subject will be made. So here in applied history, we learned all these things. Applied history is one of the subject, okay? If you don't know, I will tell you. Applied history is one of the subject. And in applied history, there are n number of subject will be comes, like philosophy, humanities, then science and technologies. We will go each and every part one by one. But first we will learn what is applied history. Applied history is nothing but the field of study which concerned with the application of the people. In the short term, in applied history means application of the history. They want to know what happened in the past which helpful in the future time. Applied history means nothing but, I will show you an example also. For example, Cold War, okay? Or we will take an example of World War. You all know about the World War. There are the two World War happened before some year ago. If yes, if you know about the World War, just type yes. If you don't know, just type N. Okay, all know about the World War? Yes, good. So here, because of World War, all know what type of destruction or what type of issues and what type of problems people are facing due to World War. There are n number of problems people are facing, like economic problem, social problem, religious problem, because of what? World War. So because of this, people never go with the World War in this generation or in this era. Because of past, because of the study of the history, people understand that कि हाँ बाबा वर्ल्ड वॉर में ये सब हुआ था, this type of thing is happened in world war, so we should not go with the world war. We should not go with the world war. That's why cold war is going on between China and India. Cold war is going on, if you know. Okay, how much students are know about this? Yes, they know. So all know that because of history, how we understand because of world war all this losses has been happened in the future also, because of the history, because of the study of the past. So it is nothing but whenever applied history is the field of study in that we always study past for our future, and we applied in our life, we applied in our future, and which is beneficial for us For example, we will go one by one so you understand. Okay, there are n number of programs, there are n number of seminars and research has been happened because of applied history. Today, like political, religious issues, then social issues, which happened in past era. If you take an example of a sati system, if you take an example of a dowry system, in a past era, you all know about the sati system and widow system and dowry system, which happened in the past era. Okay, because of this, what you understand ki what type of problems woman has been faced, what type of problem woman has been faced in the past era because of all this system. So this system has been abolished in this time. At this time, this system, all the system has been abolished. So how we understand keep women are facing problem because of all these things, because of the study of the history, because of the study of history. Okay, religious. Now religious sentiments. At the how much you do I do? Okay. Now applied history and research in various fields. Applied history and research in various fields. Now history is nothing but the event related to various political, okay, which is related to various political events, then religious event, then social events, communities. You can see here communities, then philosophy, and then technology. History is applied history is the research of various fields. It is nothing but the science technology. It is related to politics. Sorry, it is related to politics. It is related to social, religious structure of a community. So it is the mixture of all these things. We will go one by one and understand each and everything separately. Okay, first we will move to the philosophy. First we will move to the philosophy. Okay, student, when you are going bigger, when you go in a next section, next standard, like in 11th, in 12th, in FY, so at that time you understand there are the many subject which is related to the history, applied history, and the first is nothing but the philosophy. Philosophy. Now what is the philosophy? Okay, student, means thinking and thoughts. Now philosophy subject. One by one, we are going to each and every subject and each and every research of applied history. First of all, philosophy. Philosophy is the thinking of the various ideologists, thinkings of the our ancestors, what they are thinking. Okay. Okay, fine. So now philosophy is nothing but the helping in understanding what our ancestors are thinking. For example, Martin Luther King. Did you know about the Martin Luther King, student? If yes, just type Y. So no, I will tell you. Okay, don't know. Martin Luther King, full of our n number of sant. Okay, n number of philosophers like Sant Tukaram, Sant Namdev. Okay, they are giving us so many knowledge through their povadas, through their abhangas. Yes or no? If we take example of Santa Kabir, so they are giving us so many knowledge through their abhangs, through their shairis, through their ghazals. So this is nothing but a philosophy. Philosophy is the need a language. Through language, they want a certain language. Through language, language is a medium of expression, and through that language, the people get a understand their thinking, their knowledge, and people get motivated. Nowadays also You heard their knowledge through short videos in YouTube also. If you find the one thing, because of ideologies of ancestor and their language of expression, because of this, today we are getting motivate what to do and what to not to do, what to do and what not to do. We understand what type of thing we should do in the our future, what type of thing we should take as an action when we are in such trouble. So this is nothing but a philosophy, and philosophy has certain branches. When you're choosing the subject like philosophy, when you're getting bigger, we understand that there are n number of branches like ethics are there, then metaphysics is there, aesthetic is there, logics is there. So n number of branches in the philosophy subject. Okay. Afterward, the best thing is science. Science is concerned with the applied science. Applied science is concerned with the, or we can say the history of science. History of a science is concerned with the scientific discoveries, scientific inventions, and scientific theories. Now, there are certain difference between discoveries and invention. There are certain difference between discoveries and invention. If you know, what difference are there, students? This is the difference between discoveries and invention. Discovery we get from nature. Okay. To find. After finding that, we discovered. Okay. We make to find. But invention means we should do this. The human beings are doing this. Okay. If you take an example of a telephone. Telephone is invented by Graham Bell. Yes, it is not a natural thing, or it is not finded. Telephone is invented by Graham Bell. He made that phone. He made that research in that telephone. Okay? And now discoveries. Newton of laws of motion. Okay? Yes, black hole is discovered. So black hole, then Newton law, gravity. Yes, it is discovered. He not make that law of motion. So discoveries and inventions and theories. There are Pythagoras theorems. Who made this Pythagoras theorem? So all this is related to the science. Science is related to the history. How? Because yes, Aryabhatta, who is invented zero, or who is invented the number? Who is invented zero? Yes. So all these things are discoveries, inventions, and theory. It is related to this history. Because if we want to make a certain changes in that, we should go with the past. First of all, we should go with the past. We should study the history. For example, if we take an example of aeroplane. If you want to do a certain changes in an aeroplane, first we will study about the history of the aeroplane. First, who invented the aeroplanes? Okay, then how he made, what type of struggle he faced when he made go with the aeroplane and when he invented the aeroplanes. Okay, afterward, if we're talking about the yes, exactly, the Wright brothers invented the aeroplanes. Afterward, if we go with the telephones, okay, telephone is invented by the Graham Bell, but how he made, okay, how he made, what type of things he faced at the time he is working on his telephone. So after the studying of the history, we understand what type of changes we will need to do in the invention, what type of thing we should adapt, and what type of things faced by the scientist. So science is also related by the history, and you always curious about to know the new thing. All the people want to know about the different thing. To know and to complete that curiosity, we should know about the history of the each and everything. So that's why history is related with the scientific discoveries, inventions and theory. We are take an example of the concept of the black hole. Then Einstein introduced the general theory of relativity. Then Columbus discovered America. Okay. So now if you take an example, now next is the technology. This is the interesting part actually. You can see in the photos also. But before going with the screen, I will tell you some information. Technology, through technology, it is we understand what type of agriculture production, then architecture, then what type of thing we should adapt. After the study of the past of the technology, we understand what type of mankind evolution has been done, what type of technologies changes, what type of evolution of technology has been done, what is the history of the technology. We can take here example also. Before some 1,000 years ago, for giving the message to the other person, what they are doing, what they are trying, they are making smoke signal. Okay, through smoke signal we understand that there are certain dangerous thing has been happened in that place through smoke signal. Afterward, as the technology has been changed, they adapted what? Parrot. Oh sorry, pigeon. Through pigeon they are exchanging the letter. Okay, pigeon has been helpful to sending the message to one person to another person. At the time of king, if you remember, afterward Morse code. What is Morse code? Okay, Morse code means what? It is the one type of na secret language. Okay, one type of secret language. It is written with the help of hyphens and dot. Hyphens and dot. Through this, the second person is able to understand the language only. They can only read that message. This is the secret language. To send any message to another person, they are using this language. Afterward, as the time is getting changed, what happened? Wireless radio has been come. Wireless radio has been come to sending the message. After the wireless radio, telephone has been come. Telephone has been launched. Okay, and after telephone, what happened? Fax has been came. And after fax, mobile telephone, and after mobile telephone, internet, and after internet, email, and now after email, handheld device, that is WhatsApp. Then okay, if we don't know about fax, okay, I will tell you, just wait. Fax is nothing but if you want to, there are a certain pin codes. Okay, like our Badlapur pin code is 421503, but as same as fax has also having one pin code. Through typing that pin code, your fax is going to that person. One letter is going to that person, but it has taking certain time. It has taking a time, minute time. Okay, afterward, just wait. Now afterward, what happened? The internet has been come. Now email has been come, and afterward the handheld device. Now new app has been launched for communication, like Hike is there, WhatsApp is there. Okay, so the technology has been changed, and how it is. Okay, my voice is breaking. Okay, so as technology has been changed, just look at this chronological order. Now we are here. So how much change has been done and how it has happened? Because of the study of the history. We understand what type of changes we want to need, how we can do this. And today now we are here. And afterward, the 5G has been also launched slowly and gradually. Or 2 seconds to send a message to the other person. How far, how good the technology is today's time. Yes or no, student? Okay. Next is industries and commerce. Now, industries and commerce is also related with the social transaction. Nowadays, in the before era, the barter exchange is going on. Barter exchange means exchanging goods with goods. Afterwards, slowly and gradually, as coins has been minted, as coins has been printed, like silver coin, copper coins. Okay, you heard. Okay. Now, industries and commerce. Now, industries and commerce, we have taken an example of our past history, the field of the mutual social transaction. Nowadays, the industries and trade is promoted continuously. Industries and there are nowadays IT park has been also there. From the 20th century, the industries and commerce has been started developing. If you see, the IT park is also there. If you're taking an example of Navi Mumbai and the Pune section, you have seen n number of industries and commercial areas. Okay. So the nature of the market is totally changed. How it is changed after the study of the history, after the study of the history of cultural social organization and economic institution. If we take an example of IT parks or if we take an example of industry, first there is a barter system. Afterward, as the change, the monetary system has been started. Monetary system means people are giving money after buying goods. How at the time of kings, at the time of princely states, they have started copper coins, silver coins, gold coins, and because of this, people are started giving money at the exchange of goods. And afterwards, slowly and gradually, what people had started, people are going with the industries. People are making small scale business. They are starting with the small scale business. Afterward, they are going with the large scale business. This type of thing, this type of changes has been made in the industries and commercial areas. Commercial areas has been started. So this all thing is happened when they are study of history of cultural, social organization and economic institution. So industry and commerce is also related to the history, is also related to the study of the past. And without this, no one can understand what to do and how to do and when to do. History is nothing but the question of the three questions: what, how, and which, and when. This is the four question history always asks you in each and every field. Okay, so I hope till there you understand all the things.